He's a foolish man, and I'm saying that in front of his office. He's lucky that I didn't meet him here when he was saying that rubbish. Revolution now. Yes. How can you say that you should not politicize when he himself is a product of the politics of insecurity himself? So, if he had said that while I was there, I would have told him to his face that you are a foolish man and let him do his worst. But he left before I got here. First place, the same president who deployed forest guards to Oyo State is also prosecuting some forest guards in this Abuja. But ask yourself, what happened to the deployment of the 5,000 CCTV cameras in Plateau State that he promised? I watched or I listened to radio and TV today, and they said none has been provided. So when somebody has nothing to offer, they just keep making bogus promises. I mean, why do you need 1,000 forest guards when you have millions of policemen, well, I won't say thousands of policemen who are idle, fighting protesters? Why don't you just deploy these guys? Look at them, and send them over to Oyo State until they retrieve the kids. You don't let them come back, instead of sending them after teachers and peaceful protesters.
Sir, in the long run, Governor Mgbeke is saying he would not be blamed for that because he has not been given the manpower to actually go after the terrorists. Do you think it justifies his position, considering the fact that he's also running for president?
You see, if I could have my way, or if I would have my way, anybody who is president of Nigeria at this time should never be allowed to run in any office again based on their failure. If you're a governor of a state like Oyo State, you should not even go near the presidency. You should not collect the form to become president because you have failed already and you should not enjoy any kind of promotion, whether it's social, political. We do that in the educational sector. If you fail a class, you have to repeat it. You are not promoted to the next class. So it's very sad that people like Makinde and rest, they always give excuses. But ask them what happened to the security fund that they quaff every month, which I'm sure is what he's using for his failed
system. We do all they can to make sure the teachers and the students that are being kidnapped in Oyo State are being released unharmed. But let me say this clearly. I don't like politicizing anything that happens. You have said here in FCT that teachers have been kidnapped before. Why was there no protest in the country? It doesn't mean that the teachers in Abuja are not important. You see, I tell people the truth. You have said it here that teachers have been kidnapped in FCT before. Why is it that people never rose up to say, oh, let the teachers in Abuja also be released? So why is this one not particular? We're all concerned. We're all concerned, but let us not politicize issues. That's what I will not support. But we're all concerned about security situation. We're all concerned about how the teachers and students should be released. And we all know, without being biased, that the security system is doing quite a lot to make sure that they contain the level of insecurity in this country. Again, let us face reality that no government will on this one will say, let there be kidnapping every day. It's not possible. But we know where we children will find ourselves, and we know that this government will do everything possible that will normalcy return. So that's what I have to tell you people. So I have to say it now and let everybody hear me. You said it. You said it. That teachers in Abuja were kidnapped before. Nobody went on strike. Nobody went on strike. So what concerns you concerns everybody. What concerns Abuja also concerns everybody. So when it gets to our own, people should also rise to the same occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I will tell you before you.
Thank you for the feedback.
So record. Mark 12 on that side here.
leader. You are a leader. You are a leader. You are.
Wait. Our boss has called us. Hey, move back. Give me one. Come on. Give me back. No.
Our host of other parts of this country.
We are very serious about it.
Nigeria has never had something.
Hold it.
We Africa, teachers are great.